It boils my blood when I hear women being told that losing bladder control or pain during intimacy is just part of life after childbirth. You don't have to suffer quietly. Now, this is one of the most common but rarely spoken questions. Now, many women they wonder this but don't dare to ask. Let's be honest. Most women they have questions about their intimate health, but they rarely ask them out loud. Instead, they whisper them to a friend, search Google at 2 a.m., or carry them silently for years. Today, we are breaking that silence, and I am going to answer the questions you've been too shy to ask about genital rejuvenation surgeries. Honestly, directly, and with medical clarity. So, this is not just one procedure. Genital rejuvenation, it is an umbrella term for several surgeries and sometimes non-surgical treatments which focus on restoring comfort, function and confidence. Here are some of the key surgical options. Vaginoplasty, this tightens the vaginal canal internally, mostly after childbirth or aging-related laxity. Labiaplasty reshapes, reduces the labia minora for comfort and for aesthetics. Clitoral hood reduction, it removes extra clitoral folds. It is often considered a subset of vulvaplasty. Now, vulvaplasty is the again a smaller umbrella term which includes the refinement of the labia, where we can either reduce the size of the labia minora, augment the labia majora with fat, or do a clitoral hood reduction. Now, there are also certain non-surgical options like laser or radiofrequency therapy which restores tissue health and improves lubrication. Now, this is one of the most common but rarely spoken questions. And the answer is yes, it can. By improving the muscle tone, the sensitivity and the tissue health, many women they report stronger sensation and more enjoyable intimacy. But here's the nuance. Pleasure isn't only physical. When a woman feels confident in her body, relaxed in her skin and free from discomfort, intimacy improves naturally. Let's be real. Now, many women they wonder this but don't dare to ask. There are procedures sometimes called G-spot amplification where filler or fat is used to enhance the area. But it is important to remember pleasure is complex and there is no surgical shortcut to compatibility or connection. What these treatments can do is they can improve sensitivity in the areas which may have weakened over time. Now think of it this way. Vaginoplasty, it is about tightening the vaginal canal internally. Whereas labiaplasty, it is about reshaping the labia externally for function, comfort or aesthetics. They can be done separately or together depending on an individual's needs. As a plastic surgeon and as a woman, it boils my blood when I hear women being told that losing bladder control or pain during intimacy is just part of life after childbirth. It is not. And you don't have to suffer quietly. Modern plastic surgery, it offers safe, effective options which restore both comfort and your confidence. Yes, more than you think. Mothers who want to feel confident again, women in midlife reclaiming their bodies, even younger women with functional discomfort. These are not these are not rare secret procedures anymore. They are increasingly common, safe and openly discussed in modern plastic surgery. So if you've carried these questions silently, know this, you're not alone and you are not unusual. Genital rejuvenation, it is not about vanity. It is about health, it is about confidence and reclaiming joy in one of the most personal areas of life. Because intimate health should never be treated as taboo.